What's up, warriors? Welcome to the weekly update. Today, I want to talk to you about this big drop that we had on the Bitcoin and S&P 500. Basically, on all the markets right now, it's looking pretty bearish. If we look into the Bitcoin, as you can see, a few days ago, and actually in about past 2 weeks, I've been telling you guys that we were trading in this range right here, right? The range was basically around that, 43,000 or so to around that, basically around the 40,500 area, right? This was the range that we've been in for, a couple of about 2 weeks or so, just ranging back and forth. And then yesterday, in the other video I did make for you guys, I did tell you that if we do hit this yearly BWAP, we might get a rejection. Well, we end up getting a nice pump up, and from there, we did hit the yearly BWAP, and we got a major rejection to the downside, right? So, as you can see, this happened basically yesterday, and today we are continuing going down. So it's just looking very bearish right now. Uh, Unfortunately, until this downturn stops, we do not know where we're gonna find support. Okay, I was telling you that in this purple box, we might have some type of support, right? But we lost the yearly BWAP, we lost the weekly BWAP, and we lost the daily BWAP. So now, the only other levels that we can see if we look back is basically where we at in this purple box, right? And as you can see right now, we're trying to see if we're gonna hold it or if we're gonna lose it. Now, if we do lose this area right here, which is around that 47,400 area, right? And we cannot hold this. Like right now, we're around the 36,300. If we can still come back up and try to reclaim the daily BWAP, and around this area right here, which is that 38,000 to 47,000 area, if we cannot hold that, the next support system is basically around that 30,000 to 29,000 zone. Now, of course, I'm not saying that that's what we're going to be going to right now, but we're trying to figure out what's going to be the new range that Bitcoin is going to hold, and maybe we can start ranging from there. We can maybe find support around this area here, right? From that 38,000 to the 36,000, and see if we can find some support here, and then create a new range where, we can start ranging back and forth until we can figure out if we're going to break to the downside or come back to the old range and start trading back on this upper side. Until then, we have to just wait and see. As you can see though, Bitcoin is still dumping right now as we speak. So there's really nothing else we can do but just wait until we find some type of support. Okay. So if we also look at the S&P 500, as you can tell, we also lost the yearly BWAP. We also lost the weekly BWAP and the daily BWAP. Okay. And so far, we're still in a downtrend. This one started on the 5th of January where, we couldn't hold it no more and it started going down. Okay. And we did get a little rally back up around that 10th of January, came back up and then couldn't hold it. And we actually hit the yearly BWAP and got rejected from there. And we actually start coming back down on the 13th. And so far, we still haven't found any support. The only other supports that I can see is around this area here, which will be around that 4,333 to maybe around that. Let me draw a box here for you guys. It can be from around this area here. Okay. If we hit this here, right, we can maybe come down, retest it, and then maybe back test and then come back up, right? Like we can hit it, boom, retest and then come back up and try to, at least reclaim the daily BWAP. And if we cannot hold this level, then we are going to continue going back down. And the next one is around that 4,236. But right now we don't know. Again, as you can see, the markets, it's just right now we're in a downtrend. I've been telling you guys for the past week or so that we is going down, down. As you can see, both of these are just similar, right? They're both just, just going down. So just keep it safe. Make sure that you don't try to long right now until we find some type of support, okay, and see where we can find a new range. And once we have found a new range, then we can trade there until we either break up to the upside or break down to the downside. All right, so this was just a short video. Like I said, everything is just down right now. So let's just see what happens on Monday when the market's open for the stock market. And on Bitcoin, of course, that's 24 hours a day. So we're going to see where this happens, and see what happens at the weekly, which is on Sunday, where we're going to open and close. So until then, don't worry, I'll keep you guys updated and we can keep moving forward from there. And remember, you stay safe. Make sure that you don't try to long right now until you see if we found some type of support. Because if you long right now and we continue dumping, well, that's going to be a big loss. So I'll keep you guys updated either way. And I hope you guys stay safe and enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you in the next video. And remember, let the profits come to you.